Tools: level bar, stiff bristle brush, roller brush or sponge, plastic pail, electric mixer, mason's trowel, steel trowel, rubber float. Surface preparation: concrete surface must be cured, structurally sound and stable, clean and free of paint and contaminants such as dirt, dust, loose material, oils, chemicals, etc. For outdoor applications and during hot weather conditions, wet substrate very well to ensure proper bonding. Mixing: pour water in a plastic pail and add ZEMCOAT Skimcoat. Mix 2 to 3 minutes to attain a smooth and lump-free consistency. Let mixture rest for 15 minutes. Mix again briefly before use. Application: dampen concrete surface before ZEMCOAT Skimcoat application. While the surface is still damp, apply ZEMCOAT Skimcoat to desired application thickness using a steel trowel. Tip: to further smoothen minor surface unevenness, sprinkle a small amount of water before the surface is about to set. Smoothen to desired finish using a rubber float. Further finishing: ZEMCOAT Skimcoat must receive further finishing as protection. Let it cure for 3 to 5 days prior to further finishing.
ABC! Sigurado ka dito!